Hello guys, today we are going to solve a Leetcode problem 1368, which is minimum cost to make at least one valid path in a grid. Let us go to the example and see what the problem is. As we can see, we are given a grid which is a two-dimensional array which of directions. As we can see in this grid, we cannot go from 0 0 to 4 comma 4 or 3 comma 3 with these directions because there is no direction pointing at this path, right? So we have to make changes to this direction and we can only do once. So we should make the cost, which is the changing of the directions is the cost. So we have to make from here to here with the least cost possible. Okay guys, so now let us get into it. So instead of checking every path, checking every variation and all, we will just traverse the path and make the directions unique to us, and we'll return the cost. Okay, now let us take m comma n, length of grid, comma length of grid of 0, right? Now directions equal to a dictionary, so we'll know that 0 comma 1 and 2, 0 comma minus 1 which is left direction, and 3, 1 comma 0, and at last 4 minus 1 comma 0, right? And we have to put commas, I have forgot that comma, right? Now after putting the directions, we have to do a dq, so which we can track the cost dq of, the first one is the cost, the second one is the direction of x, and the third one is the direction of y. Now let us get into the main code, which is vegetables, right? If we visit that node, we will put true in that, right? Now while dq cost comma x comma y equal to dq dot pop left, if x comma y equal to m minus 1 comma n minus 1, then we will just return cost, which means that we are at the final cell in the grid and we can return the cost. Or else if it's of xy, then continue, we will not do the following process as it is already visited node. Okay, now if it is not, then width of x y equal to true. Then for direction comma dx, sorry, comma dx comma dy in dir, which is the array, which is the dictionary we have declared items, and x comma ny equal to x plus dx comma y plus dy, and after that if 0 less than or equal to nx less than m, and 0 less than or equal to ny less than n, and not of which nx and ny. So after this, if the new direction, if grid of xy equal to direct, so there is no need to change as we are going in that process only. Or so we will append cost as it is, and nx and ny, which are changing the directions. Or if it is not the direction, then we will be dq dot append cost comma, sorry, cost plus 1 comma nx comma ny. At last we will just return minus 1. Now let's run it. Sorry, yes, let's submit it directly as the time is less. I have put the return minus 1 in the for loop, so let us back it and I can submit it. It is successfully submitted guys.